Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Spotify error. The app is registered to premium users only. Error code 409. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to completely uninstall Spotify and reinstall it guys. But do it correctly guys. To clear Spotify cache files, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here, you just need to search for packages. Double click on it and search for Spotify. Right click on it and select delete, guys. After deleting it, close out of here. Now we have cleared Spotify cache files, guys. To remove Spotify from our computer, go to search menu and type app features. Click on open it. Search for Spotify over here guys. Select the Spotify and click on uninstall. Click on uninstall it guys. Click on S and uninstall it. After uninstalling it, close out of here. Now to download it again, go to Google Chrome and type Spotify. Click on the Spotify Windows download and download it guys. Click on the download option and download it. After downloading it, click on open when run. Click on run. Finish the installation process. After finishing installation, go ahead and log in guys. Try to log in. Check your problem has been resolved or not. If this solution does not work for you, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to use the Microsoft Store version of Spotify. The reason for doing this is that application on Microsoft Store are generally more stable guys. Open the Microsoft Store and click on it. Search for Spotify, click on it. Click on the install and install it guys. After installing it, click on open and check whether your problem has been resolved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you guys, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to download Spotify old version guys. We may have been experiencing the problem due to latest update from Spotify. If that the case for you, downloading older version can resolve the issue guys. Before downloading it, go to search menu and type apps and features. Click on open and uninstall the Microsoft version of Spotify. Click on uninstall it. After uninstalling it, close out of here and now check my video description for the link for old version. This is the old version of Spotify. Click on the download option over here, select download and download it guys. After downloading it, click on install. After finishing this, click on the run and install it guys. After installing it, hopefully your problem will be resolved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.